and welcome back to another video. So in this video, I've already washed and deep conditioned Kennedy's hair. I left some leave-in conditioner in her hair a couple of days ago, but it's still pretty clean, but I just wanted to put something in it just to freshen up the style. And hey guys, don't forget, we're trying to get 500 subscribers by the end of this year, so please, please, please subscribe to Kennedy's channel. If you love her videos and you want to be a part of the family, please subscribe. So we're starting off with the Tree Naturals Curl Refresher Spray. I didn't want to use any water, but I wanted to use something that was nice and hydrating. So I used this spray first just to hydrate the hair. And the next product we're using, it's a little bit of a surprise that Kennedy and I have in store for you. I love this product. This is something that she and I have worked on. And I'm just going to use a little bit in my hand. It emulsifies very easy and very quickly into the hair, and I'm using it just to impart some shine and to seal in the moisture because we're entering the winter months. So I've distributed through the hair, and the next product I'm using is by Main Choice. It's from the Do It Fro the Culture line. So this Bold Buttery Gel is for Afro textured hair, and the first 5 ingredients is water, glycerin, aloe vera juice, black cumin oil, and polysorbate 20. The color of this product is black, and it's pretty tacky and sticky, but not like a honey sticky. And it's gooey, and I like it. It's really good. I like the color of it. I believe this product is $16.99, and they sell it exclusively at Sally Beauty for right now. Also in this line, there's a hair mask, a leave-in conditioner, a spray sheen, a shampoo, and a conditioner. But the only thing I wanted was the Bold Buttery Gel, and I picked this up from the Circle of Sisters event in the Jacob Javits Center sometime in September, and I got this for $8. So this stuff gave her hair so much shine and moisture. I don't know if you noticed the texture of her hair. It just completely changed it. It made it more manageable. It was just really, really good. This product smells amazing. It's a little sticky, like I said before, but not too much. It's a really, really good product. I'm not a fan of the price, but it is a really good product. And the product claims to be nourishing and moisturized like a butter, and it controls like a gel. It says this bold combination delivers an amazing flexible hold without the excess weight. So it didn't, as far as hold is concerned, it didn't really give Kennedy's hair any hold like a hard hold like a gel. It gave a hold like a styling cream hold. So it wasn't heavy and hard like a gel. But if your hair does not like glycerin, you cannot buy this product. Glycerin is the second ingredient in this product, so I would suggest that you don't buy it. But this stuff is really good compared to the 24 karat twisting glistening gel. I like this one a little bit better, but the 24 karat gel, I like it better because it doesn't have as much glycerin in it. But this one is really good. So I used a little bit on the back of her hair, and then right now I'm just going to do some corn braids. So in the back I did a couple of braids, and then in the front I'm doing 2 braids. I'm doing the same thing. I'm adding the Tree Naturals Curl Refresher Spray. I'm using our Kennedy and our surprise product, and the last thing I'm using is a little bit of the Bold Buttery Gel. I didn't use a lot. I think next time I'll use a little bit more. I just wanted to see how the gel was going to work in the hair. I typically don't do braid outs on Kennedy's hair, but I've gotten a few requests from people who are new to doing their child's hair, or it's husbands that don't really know how to braid or anything like that. So I just wanted to do a quick close-up. First of all, so you could see how well this product worked on Kennedy's hair, and secondly, just to show how I did an under braid and a traditional corn braid. So for this one, I'm doing an under braid or a fish braid. So I'm just taking 3 small parts in the front. So I'm dividing the left, right, and the middle. And then basically what I'm doing is grabbing some hair from the right side, then grabbing some hair from the left side and just putting it over. So right, over, left, and then in the middle. So unfortunately, it's pretty hard for me to describe, so that's why I just showed you quickly in a video. So this particular braid, as I said before, is like a fish braid or under braid, and I'm just putting a little bit of the curl refresher spray on the ends, and then I'm going to twirl it around my finger just so it can have a nice curl at the end, not a crimped look like a braid, but a curly look. So now on the other side, I just wanted to show you really quickly a regular traditional corn braid. So I'm just corn braiding it going up instead of going down, which I figure would be easier for everyone to see and figure out how to do it. So I'm using again the curl refresher spray, a surprise product from Kennedi and myself, and a little bit of the Bold Buttery Gel. So this gel also says it's supposed to give untouchable definition and unmatched volume. The volume is very good, and defining the texture of Kennedi's hair, it just did such a really good job. I just wish I would have used a little bit more. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm getting small pieces of hair, one from the right, one from the left, and one in the middle. So I'm just crossing over to the left, crossing over to the right, while grabbing pieces of hair all at the same time. So I hope this makes sense. So I'm just slowing it down just a little bit so you guys can really see what I'm doing. And going back to the Bold Buttery Gel, I like the fact that it has black cumin seed oil in there. And I believe the black cumin oil is really, really good for helping for hair growth. It also is really good for your elasticity and providing shine to the hair and helping with frizz. So I really like that. So I opened up the braid because I didn't want the braid going up. I only wanted it going down, but I only showed you going up, so I figured that would be a better way to describe how to do the corn braid. So I'm doing the same thing. I'm just doing a twist going down, I would say the last inch of the hair. I think the claims of this product are spot on as far as the definition, moisture, to soften the hair. It's really good. So with so many hydrating products, I figured Kennedi's hair would need a little bit of stretch. So I'm using 2 elastic black bands just to stretch out the hair. The only problem was I should have waited a little bit longer for her hair to air dry a little bit. So her hair ended up being a little bit frizzy, unfortunately. So I would suggest if you guys are going to stretch the hair, just wait maybe like an hour or 2 after you do it and use the bands to stretch out the hair. So now it's the next day and her hair is dry. It's still a little bit damp because it's braids versus twists. So as I'm opening it, I'm realizing, wow, her hair is still a little damp. So as far as the frizz goes, it's only frizzy because her hair was damp, not because of the product. So I definitely need to use this product again. And but this product is really good. I don't like the price, but everything else is really good. It also has charcoal in it as well, which I heard that that's detoxifying as well and really good for the hair. So I'm just opening up the braids, and I'm just using some of me and Kennedi's surprise product just on the edges because I realized we're going into the winter months, and I just want her edges so it wouldn't be dry, but also not hard or crunchy from the Buttery Gel. And we're using our favorite edge control by Camille Rose Lavender Collection, and we're going to feature this also in a video later on in the month of our favorite edge controls. So I'm just using the brush just to brush down her hair. And I like to use a butter or an oil as well, because I don't need as much hold on her edges in the fall and winter months. So I have a little bit of the Buttery Gel, a little bit of our product, as well as the edge gel, and I'm using a comb just to sleek her edges. I need to practice a little bit more with doing edges. I just watched Janae's Instagram video, and her edges were sleeky and fleeky, and I want to sit down and learn. She told us not to give up on practicing, so I need to work on it. So I'm using the comb just to define some of her edges. I did an okay job of it, but I'm going to keep working on it. But as you can see, her edges still look so shiny and so sleek and so good. And even though her hair was wet and damp in certain spots, it still looked really good. Look at the shine. So after I did the edge gel, I always use a headscarf just to wrap around her hair, just until the edge gel gets a chance to set and also dry. Up her hair just so it doesn't look so smashed down. Just want it to look nice and poofy and just cute. So after 10 to 15 minutes of putting the headscarf on, now her edges are great. Her hair is good. I put it in pigtails because her hair was frizzy and I didn't want to leave it out. But I'm so sorry, I didn't realize Kennedi had a little bit of food on the side of her mouth. But look at her hair. Look at it. Look at the shine. I love it. Love it, love it, love it. Main Choice Bold Buttery Gel. I'll give it a 9 out of 10. Only 9 because of the price. But look at her hair. It looks amazing. Highly, highly, highly recommend this product on the hair. So I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Bye.